let's talk about modern navigation system. Navigation refers to the process of determining one's position and directing the movement of a person, vehicle, or vessel from one place to another. The field of navigation has a long history, dating back to ancient civilizations, and has evolved over time to include traditional methods like map reading, as well as modern technologies such as GPS. The goal of navigation is to efficiently and effectively guide the movement of an object, while taking into account factors such as terrain, weather conditions, and the desired speed and route. Navigation is used in a wide range of applications, including aviation, marine transportation, and self-driving cars, and plays a critical role in many areas of human life and commerce. Modern navigation systems typically rely on a combination of technologies to determine the location and movement of an object and to provide guidance to its destination. The most common type of navigation system is GPS, Global Positioning System, which is a satellite-based system developed by the U.S. Department of Defense. GPS works by receiving signals from a constellation of satellites orbiting the Earth, which transmit information about their location and the time the signal was sent. A GPS receiver on the ground can use this information to calculate its position by triangulating the signals from multiple satellites. In addition to GPS, other navigation technologies include inertial navigation systems, INS. These are self-contained systems that use accelerometers and gyroscopes to measure the movement and orientation of an object, even in the absence of GPS signals. Dead reckoning. This is a method of navigation that involves estimating one's position based on the distance traveled and the direction of movement, typically using a compass and odometer. Augmented GPS. This involves combining GPS signals with other data sources, such as maps, to improve the accuracy and reliability of navigation information. LiDAR, light detection and ranging. This is a technology that uses laser beams to measure distances and create a 3D map of the environment. LiDAR is commonly used in self-driving cars to provide a high-resolution view of the surroundings. In many cases, navigation systems use a combination of these technologies to provide the most accurate and reliable navigation information possible. The output of a navigation system may be displayed on a map, shown as directions, or used to control the movement of an object, such as a self-driving car. Do you know what are the navigation systems your smartphone supports? Find out from the specifications of your smartphone and leave comment below. Don't forget to subscribe this channel in YouTube, Facebook and Instagram.